Hi, dear students. Congratulations to all of you for getting the results. I know it was very difficult this time during because of the lockdown. In spite of that, you have taken it as a challenge and you have written the exam. So my congratulations to you. Now on the coming back to the results, I hope all of you have got as per your expectations. And just in case, if you are not satisfied with your results, you don't need to worry, you don't need to cry because there is a solution for that. Now, notification has come for scanned copy and revaluation. So, as you can see on the screen, the application for scanned copy have already started today, and the last date is 20th of this month, that is August. If you are not happy with your results, you can go to the website and apply for scanned copy. What does it mean? It means, suppose for example in social science you have not got good marks and you feel you have written well, so when you apply for scanned copy, select only the subject social science, and the charges will be around 400 rupees per subject. You will be making the payment. Once that is done, you will receive your entire answer sheet scanned through the website. You can download and you can take a printout of that. Okay, then what you will do, you will go through that answer sheets, and if you feel you may get more marks, you can apply for retotaling or revaluation. Okay, what is retotaling? Retotaling is if there is a total mistake, instead of doing 75 by mistake they have done 71 or 70 or 65 like that. That is called retotaling. Okay, so that time they will just do the retotaling. Retotaling is usually free, so this will be free of cost. Retotaling will be done. Okay, what is revaluation? Revaluation means the answers were actually good, but still they have not given proper marks for that. For example, your answer was supposed to get 4 marks, but the evaluator might have given 1 or 2 marks. Okay, like that it might have happened for many questions. So in that case, you can apply for revaluation. So when you apply for revaluation, that answer sheet will be evaluated once again by a different evaluator. Okay, if you get more marks, then again even your money also will be refunded. Okay, so that is called as revaluation. Now, as you can see on the screen, the last date for applying for scanned copy is 20th August, and uh, the commencement of applications for revaluation will begin on 14th of August and they will end on 24th of August. So what you should do now is apply for scanned copy. Apply it as soon as possible because it is first come first serve basis. If you apply it very early, you will get it very early. If you apply it late, you will get it late. Okay, so it's better you apply early, then get the answer sheet, download it and take a printout of it, go through it and also show it to any of your teachers who can guide you better. Then if you are confident, then you apply for retotaling or revaluation. Okay, so there is always a solution for every problem. You don't need to worry. If you have not got the results well, don't worry, don't cry. I know it is very difficult to accept lesser marks, as even though you have done the exam well. I understand it is difficult, but there is a solution for it. Okay, so don't worry about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. This was brought to you by RYT Recharge Your Talent. Thank you. Wish you all the best.